Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful dessert Motichur parfait cup. It's so delicious. In a cup, take some crushed Parle G biscuits with some melted butter on it. Next step, crush Motichur laddus and keep them ready. Next, what I have is whipped cream cheese spread. I've taken cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, some sugar, some cardamom powder, and some saffron and whipped it all together in a whipper. It comes to this consistency. Now I'm going to add that as a layer on top of the crushed Parle G biscuits. This is easy to make. All you have to do is whip heavy whipping cream, cream cheese, sugar, a little bit of salt, cardamom, and saffron. Whisk it and until it becomes very fluffy and use it as a layer. You can just dab it to make sure it is spread out smooth. Just like that. And once you do that, start putting the Motichur laddus on top as a layer. I'm just using my hand to do it. It's just easy to place it on top. Yeah, just spread it like that and have it as a layer. Okay, I got that. Wow, it looks so good. Next, I just do another layer of cream cheese whipping, just like that. Just the same way as how we did before. And with the spoon, even it out a little bit. Sprinkle some kesar badam powder on the top and you're all done. The delicious dessert is ready. Keep it in the fridge and serve it chilled. Thanks for watching. I'm sure you'll enjoy this. Try it out. Any questions, please post a comment. I'll respond as soon as possible. Let me know if you liked it. Thanks for watching.